Welcome to our dissection room, a spacious facility offering over 400 square metres of floor space, providing an ideal opportunity for healthcare training at all levels. Our central demonstration area offers the capability to broadcast to screens around the room, perfect for giving instruction to your trainees. We have a flexible space offering ample opportunity for bespoke room layouts. We can offer a range of possibilities from surgical workstations to lecture theatre style configurations. Our dedicated iPads feature anatomy apps and web browsing capability, ideal for facilitating learning or just looking something up. From surgical training to basic anatomy tuition, our facility has something to offer any organisation that wishes to advance patient care. We look forward to working with you to develop your next training course at the University of Leicester Dissection Room.